Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. Today let's talk about Cardano and its token ADA and conduct an AI-based forecast for Cardano. First we'll look at the overall crypto related news over the last 24 hours. Most of the narratives are bullish. The only bearish narrative is Swiss regulator targeting stablecoin issuer in a new proposal. Rest of the narratives related to crypto you can see 100k BTC for example, and also Doge bullishness, as well as Bitcoin conference related narratives, as well as XRP related narratives over here. Trump's live Bitcoin speech at Nashville. You can to summarize all of these narratives, we have come up with the overall sentiment score at currently at over the last 24 hours. The sentiment score is at around 84. You can see it's in a bullish territory. When the sentiment is low, then the color is red. Right now it's in green, neutral is yellow. So let's go to Cardano and its token ADA and conduct an AI based forecast. So this is machine learning model trained on price action starting November 2017, when price of ADA was less than 3 cents, and back then I think the first all-time high that market cycle high that ADA had was in January 2018 at around 96 cents. This is weekly averages. After that, ADA bottomed at around 2.5 or less than 3 cents, slightly under 3 cents. But over in this market cycle, the next market cycle, that the bear market, which for ADA unfortunately lasted till about 2023, middle of 2023, ADA bottomed at around 25 cents. So you can see a 10x bottom from its previous bottoming pattern, and also a 3x top from its previous top, that is instead of 96 cents in 2021, after 3.5 years, ADA had its new all-time high at around $3. So from $1 to $3, whereas bottoms from 3 cents to about 30 or 25 cents. So going forward, our machine learning model trained on this price action at a base case level. This is till 2024, and that is till December 2024. The base case is in pink. The bull case, 1 standard deviation bull case, is in yellow. The 1 standard deviation bear case is in green. We'll discuss 1 standard deviation and 2 standard deviation forecasts for this video, and all of these forecasts are available on cryptoweeklies.com. The link is on your bottom of your screen. You can check it out. And also we have a tabular format for each of the base case, 1 standard deviation bear case, 2 standard deviation bear case, 1 standard deviation bull case, 2 standard deviation bull case. So this is the base case going forward till 2024 December, between 40 cents and about 49 cents. Currently the price of ADA, you can see, is at around 41 cents. And going to the bull case now, that is this what is the confidence that with 70% confidence, what is the price at a theoretical ceiling between now and 2024 end, at between per our machine learning model is between 48 cents to about $1.66. But if you want to increase the confidence to 95% instead of 68%, you get the following predictions or forecasts to the upside between 55 cents and about $5.28. And this is the bull case scenario. On the other hand, if we were to focus first on the 1 standard deviation bear case, is at around price action between 14 cents and about 36 cents. So this is the both side of the story based on our AI based forecast. Going forward, analyzing ADA in terms of its simple moving average and dollar cost average and time weighted average price. These are the 3 new techniques or models to see the current risk levels related to ADA. We'll start with the simple moving average related model. This is the price of ADA color coded based on its proportional difference between the price and 20-week simple moving average. The key idea is when the price is too far gone from the 20-week simple moving average, that is when the market is too heated. It's a good time to get out because there is a likely mean reversion trade happening. Similarly, when the price is too far gone to the downside, like between 0 So between 0 and 0.1 risk, there is at least a potential mean reversion to the upside, like we have during the initial phases of the bear market, that is in December 2021 and also back in February 2022. So this is again a short-term bubble analysis. For this model, that is today, July 2024, the price is at 41 cents and the risk level is 0.34. So again, in the larger context, this risk level is, I think the most time ADA spends is between this risk level, that is between 0.3 and 0.4. And some of the best time to dollar cost average, you can see even in the last bear market, was at this current risk level, that is between 0.3 and 0.4. Again, for this particular market cycle, the bottom occurred at around between 0.2 and 0.3 risk. You can see over here, that was when the market started to bottom. We were in this territory at when the early July, when the price was at around 35 cents. So again, this is just one of the three model. This analyzes more to the short term, but the second model, this is the dollar cost average model, analyzes the polynomial regression fair value of ADA right now, which is coming in at around 48 cents, and wraps one standard deviation peak and one standard deviation bottom. The key idea is when the price, this is again a proportional analysis, color codes are the risk level between 0 and 1 are normalized with a proportional difference between the price and the difference between the price and the fair value regression band, and also has a time weighted factor to incorporate to analyze the impact of diminished volatility and diminished returns. So with this model, this is a more like a longer term accumulation related model. Whenever the price is below this fair value regression price, that's when dollar cost averaging makes most sense. Again, none of the content on this video is financial advice. Going to December 2022, when the price was at 24 cents, per this model the risk levels were the lowest. Right now, this is the second best time to dollar cost average ADA per this model. You can see ADA has spent a lot of time in this 0.1 to 0.2 risk range. This is currently towards the end of this risk range at a 0.2 risk level, price at around 41 cents. Again, this is the second model. The last model which we have is the time weighted average price. The key idea over here is, again, this is the time weighted average price at this point is the line in blue, the 47 cents, and whenever the price is below this time weighted average price, that's the best time to dollar cost average. And again, to identify tops, this is another effort where when the price is too far gone from the time weighted average price, the topping pattern emerges. But again, this is again not as great of a model to analyze a short term top as the SMA. That's why we have three different models to analyze, and you can read up how these models are coming into existence and what is their purpose on the website itself. This website is free for all, and you don't have to pay or sign up for anything. Again, last but not the least is the regression analysis of ADA. The polynomial regression function that we used in our DCA model, this is the fair value as we discussed at around 48 cents, the pink value, the pink band. On top of the pink band, there are three lines: 1 standard deviation, 2 standard deviation, 3 standard deviation residuals applied on the regression function to take into the consideration what is a 68 percentile move, what is a 95 percentile move, and what is 99.7 percentile move. That is likelihood of price action staying under this yellow this yellow line is 68%, under this orange line is 95% chance that the price does not go beyond this, and again there is 99.7% chance that the price action doesn't go beyond this red line. Similar case to the downside, 68%, 95% and 99.7%. So whenever the price is, so at least during the last bear market, whenever the price level hit the 1 standard deviation floor, that was the best time to dollar cost average. Right now the price is still below the fair value line at around 46 cents. So if you are a bear, you're looking at the 22 cents valuation. If you're a bull, you're looking first, if this recent rally takes ADA over 48 cents level, and the second level to watch is at around 98 cents, which is the 1 standard deviation peak, which in the last attempt ADA did not manage to succeed to go above it at when during February of 2024, when the price was close to 68 or 73 cents at a weekly average. So at that point the 1 standard deviation peak was at 73 cents, but again this is it's a moving target right now due to the progress of the crypto bull market. The 1 standard deviation 68 percentile ceiling is at around 98 cents. So those are some of the key levels to watch. And in terms of the retirement longer term model, this is at 15% growth for the next 15 years. If you were to planning on using ADA as a retirement vehicle, again not financial advice, and if you assume that ADA exists and is thriving over the next 15 years till about 2040, what could be the price of ADA at 15% growth, and what would be the number of ADA tokens without staking to reach 1 million valuation? The price of ADA at 15% growth in 2040 would be at around $3.37. That is again a modest gain from current price at around 41 cents. In terms of the number of ADA tokens needed to be a millionaire, that is having $1 million worth of ADA, is at around 297k ADA without staking. But if you believe that ADA has a 22% growth over the next 15 year, again that is the bull case, having a consistent 22%, because there are years when crypto market rises makes about 10 to 20x in 1 year. Again in the bear market gives away about 90 to 95% of their gains achieved in the bull market. That's why we normalize it to 22%. In that scenario, price of ADA could be at around $8 in 2040 with 22% CAGR, and the number of ADA tokens to reach a million would be 122k. If you believe 1 million is just one of the numbers, if you believe that instead of a million, 100k worth of ADA is more in tune to your risk appetite, what you could do is divide this number of tokens by 10, so that instead of a million you have 100k in ADA. And again this is 2040 is just 1 year. You can have an analysis for each of the years. You can see over for 2030 the number of ADA tokens would be at around 890, and the price for this analysis at 22% growth would be just over $1. So just an estimation, at 22% CAGR. We'll also keep on researching if there is more hyper growth related potential for ADA, and come up with newer and better models. In terms of narratives which are gaining some of the popularity in the market, so the bullish sentiment has come back, the bearish sentiment has gone down. Bitcoin is center of everybody's attention. This is the word cloud checks the frequency of the narratives and assigns the size on the wall accordingly. The popularity of the narrative determines the size. This is all of the discussions related to crypto on YouTube and X. So these are the popular narratives. Again, ETF launch has been one of the popular narrative. That's one of the reason why Ethereum has such a larger size on this wall. The other altcoins, particularly Solana and Cardano, over here, which had a larger size. Cardano is definitely on the discussion and attention, but again not as higher of a size as larger size as Bitcoin or Ethereum for that matter right now. This takes into consideration 7 days worth of what is being popular, what is not popular, and this gets updated every single day. So to summarize everything, if you are interested in looking at the crypto market from AI, machine learning and statistical perspective, please subscribe to the channel. Also give this video a like, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.